Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions, and in today's video I'm going to be explaining to you how you can get more schedules in Doordash. So it's really easy and simple, but first things first, let me explain to you, this method. So if you're struggling to schedule shifts, there's actually a method that works every time, but it's only for dashers who qualify for early scheduling. So who actually qualifies for early scheduling? So first, you need to either, complete 20 deliveries in the past week or have 250 lifetime deliveries. So if you don't qualify yet, here's the deal. So by the time the schedule opens at 12 a.m., all the shifts are usually gone. So your only option is to wait for the zone to turn red and dash now. Okay, you can hit dash now or refresh the current day schedule a lot to snag dropped shifts. So people drop some shifts, you can go and snag that in quickly. So you want to focus on hitting 20 deliveries per week so you can unlock early scheduling and use this method. Okay. Now, how do you actually qualify shifts? How do you schedule shifts once you qualify? So you want to basically set an alarm for 2:59 p.m. So early scheduling starts at 3 p.m., right? So you want to open up the DoorDash app at 2:59 p.m. and go to the schedule page. You want to click the furthest available date. It might say, no time slots available initially, and at 3 p.m., exactly 3 p.m., you want to start refreshing by swiping down on the schedule. Keep refreshing until you see your zone and the shift that you actually want. And by following this rule, guys, you can secure long shifts every day, guys, sometimes up to 16 hours. So good luck with this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribe to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.